So good morning one and all. Today we will discuss triple point of water. So before this class we already discussed about boiling point of water and melting point of water. So here the boiling point, at the boiling point, so water and vapor coexist at the point or coexist. Okay, coexist is nothing but at the boiling point at 100 degrees Celsius, water and vapor are thermal equilibrium. And melting point, so at this melting point, so ice and water are coexist. Okay, so both are ice, water are coexist, so it is called melting point. At 0 degrees Celsius the ice is converted to water. Okay, the ice is converted to water, so it is called the melting point. So now triple point of water is nothing but at the temperature and the pressure. Okay, at a certain temperature and certain pressure, so the ice, water and vapor, these are coexist at the point is called the triple point of water. So the definition is the temperature and pressure so where solid, liquid and vapor states are coexist is called as so this triple point. Okay, triple point. So for the water, the triple point temperature is 273.16 kelvins and the pressure P equals to 613.10 pascals, or it is also taken in atmosphere 6.11 into 10 to the power of -3 atmosphere. Okay, so this condition, temperature 273.16 kelvins and the pressure is 613.10 pascal or 6.11 into 10 to the power -3 atmosphere at this pressure and the temperature. So it is consist, okay, at this point solid state, so that is ice, water and vapor, so these are coexist at this point, so this point is called the triple point of water. We can plot the graph of this triple point of water. So we have taken on x-axis so temperature, in kelvins, pressure in pascals. Okay, so this is the triple point. So this is sublimation line. Okay, so triple point, so for example O, so this point B, it is sublimation line, and So this line is fusion line, fusion curve. So that point C, and this point, okay, this line point A is called vaporization steam line. Okay, so it is called steam curve. So this is ice curve. Okay, so this is ice curve. So this is sublimation curve. Sublimation curve. So here indicates OB is sublimation curve. Sublimation curve. At the sublimation curve, so from O to B or B to O. So here sublimation is nothing but the amount of heat is required to solid is converted to gaseous state, or gaseous state is converted to solid state. It is called the sublimation. Okay, steam curve is nothing but the water is converted to steam. So OA is steam curve. Steam curve. At this steam curve, the water is converted to vapor state, or vapor state is converted to water state. So that is called the steam curve. Okay, steam curve. And OC is ice curve. Ice curve. This ice curve, ice is converted to water, or water is converted to ice at this O point. So O point is called the O point. O point is called as triple point of water. Triple point of water. Okay, this is about triple point of water. So the condition is the temperature at the point solid state, liquid state and vapor state. So gaseous states are coexist at this point. The temperature is T equals 273.16 kelvins and pressure is 613.10 pascals, either or 6.11 into 10 to the power minus 3 atmospheres. So this point is called the triple point of water. Now we are discussing example number 12.8. A pan filled with hot food cools from 94 degrees Celsius to 86 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes. Okay, so that average temperature is when the room temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius. It is surrounding temperature, so that is T1 equals to 20 degrees Celsius. How long will it take cools from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius? From Newton's law of cooling, so dT2 by, so T2 minus T1 equals to minus K into, okay, it is minus K, capital K into, so dt. So here dt equals to, in this case dt equals to 2 minutes. Okay, the temperature T2 equals to average. Okay, so T2 is nothing but average of particular temperature. Okay, 94 plus 86 by 2 equals to, so 90 degrees Celsius. Temperature difference dt equals to, so the temperature difference here dt equals to dt2 equals to, so it is 86 minus 94, 86 minus 94, that equals to minus 8. Okay, substitute in this equation, minus 8 degrees Celsius divided by, so 90 minus, okay, T2 is nothing but 90 minus 20 equals to minus k into 2 minutes. Okay, that is minus minus gets cancelled, 8 by 8 degrees Celsius by 70 degrees Celsius equals to k into 2 minutes. Equation number 1. In second case, how long will be take cools from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius? Here dt2 equals to, so what is the time temperature difference is 71 minus 69, 2 degrees Celsius. So what about T2 equals to average 71 plus 69 by 2 equals to 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, so how long, that means d2 equals to how much. So from this equation, 2 degrees centigrade divided by T2, 70 minus 20 equals to minus k, okay, minus k into dt. Sorry, it is from 71 to 69, 69 minus 71 equals to, it is minus, okay, minus minus gets cancelled. So this is equation number 2. In equation number 2, sorry, it is 2 by 50 equals to k into dt. It is equation number 2. So when taken equation number 1 by equation number 2, that is 8 by 70 divided by 2 by 50 equals to, so it is 2 into k divided by k into dt. So here k gets cancelled. Okay, so now it is written as 8 by 70 into 50 by 2 equals to 2 by dt. Okay, 0 0 gets cancelled, so 2 4s are, again 2 1s are, 2 2s are, okay, 2 5s are 10 by 7 equals to 1 by dt. So this equation dt equals to cross multiplications, okay, dt equals to 7 by 10 minutes. Okay, that equals to 7 by 10 minutes is nothing but 1 minute equals 60. 7 by 10, 7 by 10 into 60, 0 0 cancel, 7 6 are, that is 42 seconds. So this is the time taken to cool from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius. The time taken is 42 seconds.